just gonna give it a try.
No, you're not gonna try this. This is not good. You cannot eat this now.
Right?
No,
Like-
this is like this is disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm feeling sick. This is disgusting, really. This is disgusting.
It's very healthy. Honey, come on. Where are you going? Halo guys, balik lagi di Bilang Channel. Nah, kali ini teman-teman, vlognya edisi spesial. Kenapa yuk? Karena kita mau nge-prank si bro. Jadi teman-teman kan banyak yang bilang, Kak prank gini dong Mas bro, sebenernya aku gak suka ngeprank ya. Cuman, ampun aku tuh bosen. Yaudah, makanya sekarang kita ngeprank si bro teman-teman. Nah, jadi aku mau ngeprank ya. Simple banget teman-teman, karena aku selama ini nggak pernah bikin makanan yang buat ngeprank gitu. Jadi si bro itu selalu dengan semangat nyobain gitu kan. Nah makanya hari ini aku mau bikinin dia singkong goreng dan pisang goreng, karena juga pertama kali buat dia nyobain. Tapi teman-teman, yang jadi pranknya itu aku bikin sambelnya itu sambel yang kayak konsistennya itu kayak Ingus gitu kan. Soalnya kan kalau bule itu teman-teman kalau mau makan sesuatu mereka lihat presentasinya dulu. Tuh kayak kalau teman-teman ingat bule itu kan jijian kalau kaki ayam dan segala macam gitu kan. Nah aku jadi bakal bilang ke dia kalau ini sambelnya dari Ingus. So teman-teman, aku penasaran banget gimana reaksinya si bro kalau aku prank. Doakan semoga sukses.
Halo teman-temannya Mawar di Jagar Per-YouTubean. How are you doing today? So today kita akan masak singkong. Popoy ke bahasa Inggris saya. Kasava. Ambek pisang goreng. Fry pisang. Terus Indo bilang kita hari ini mau ngeprank bos bule. Akhirnya yang Mawar tunggu-tunggu terjadi juga. Habis Mawar tuh suka kesel sama bos bule. Kalau Mawar lagi makan ceker, diliatin sama dia, terus dia bilang, ih Mawar, ih ngonoin, gak ngerti makanan enak ya kan. Pertama-tama singkong yang udah dikulitin disuruh berendam di whirlpool. Dia tahu rasa enaknya mandi di whirlpool. Tujuannya sih supaya singkongnya bahagia. Ciri-cirinya singkong bahagia itu gampang banget. Podo ambek sampean, kalau bahagia itu hatinya empuk. Ya singkongnya sama, jadi empuk. Supaya singkongnya rasanya endolita, Mawar tambahinnya iki karo iki. Wes toh? Nah, bumbu halusnya itu dicemplungin di es water, baru ditambahin sama turmeric, udah diopok-opok, terus masukin singkongnya. Habis itu udah digoreng. Nah, untuk bikin sambal ingusnya tuh gampil banget teman-teman. First, you gonna need singkong, terus add salt, chili, and then diulek sampai halus. Setelah itu wajannya put water. Bumbu halusnya dimasukin ke wajan, terus larutkan 1 sendok teh tapioka flour di dalam air, yang selanjutnya nanti dimasukkan ke wajan. Udah, di stirring sampai ngentul. Mawar ini udah gak sabar lihat reaksinya bos bule.
You ready, honey?
Yeah. Did you cook something? I hope so.
And ta-da!
Oh, this looks good. Oh, is this like gorengan, right?
Yeah, it's gorengan.
What is this actually? I've never seen this before. Pineapple or something like this, I don't know.
This is singkong.
Oh, singkong, this root, right? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Cassava.
singkong. Yeah.
And this, what is this? To be honest, it looks like banana, but I'm not sure yet.
It is banana.
It is banana?
Yeah,
Wow,
good
yeah.
yeah. Hai guys.
Halo teman-teman.
Balik lagi di Binai Channel bareng kita berdua. Nah kan banyak yang request tuh nyuruh aku bikin gorengan yang beda buat dicobain sama bro. Kan kalau tempe sama bakwan kamu udah tahu
Yeah,
kan ya.
yeah.
Nah terus cireng kamu juga udah tahu. Nah sekarang aku bikinin singkong dan pisang goreng. Ya, and something special. is the sambal. It's very popular now in social media, and everybody try and make this sambal. And because in this corona time, it's boost your immune system.
Oh, really? Okay. Cool. It's like special form of sambal or
Something like that.
okay.
Yes,
Nice.
it's my first time
Nice.
trying it. As
How's it called? I know all the sambal has
Oh
like...
yeah, namanya sambal Ingus.
Oh, Ingus. Okay, cool. Alright.
Yeah, we can start. Selamat makan.
Okay, selamat makan. So I think I will start with this cassava root. I'm really excited. Let me try this one. Oh wow, this is special, huh? Yeah, it smells. Why does it look so... Why is it so slimy? It kind of looks disgusting a little bit. Oh my god! What is that? Is it like with honey or so? Why is it so... Look at this one. What is it called again? The
Sambal Ingus.
sambal Ingus. What is the Ingus?
Ingus.
Oh,
You forget?
Oh, Ingus is from the nose?
It's really made from Ingus.
What?
It's from my snow.
No, wait.
No,
It's not made
honey, I'm serious. It's not many people in Indonesia make this sambal using their snow. It's like an old tradition
What?
in Indonesia. If you're sick, you cook your own snow. It gives you like
that's
boosts your immune system.
You're telling me this thing is made out of snot?
Yes. But the snot, you cook it. So you mix with the garlic, bawang merah, terus kasih gula merah, terus sedikit air. You mix it, and the snot make it like this. This is your white snot, honey.
Sorry, I cannot look at it. This is disgusting.
Why? Well,
Look at this stuff.
I'm just gonna give it a
This
try.
is really disgusting. No, you're not gonna try this. This is not good. You cannot eat the snot. No,
Like-
eat this. Like this is disgusting. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm feeling sick. This is disgusting, really. This is disgusting.
Well,
Wow.
it's very healthy. Honey, come on. How are you doing?
Until this thing is gone, I'm not coming back. Oh, I'm really feeling sick. Oh, this is disgusting. How can someone eat something like this? This is disgusting. How can anyone eat something like this? Like, I'm not giving you this until you get this thing away and wash your mouth. Oh, I mean, we tried every Indonesian food, everything was good, but this thing is really, really disgusting. I don't want to eat this. Seriously.
Honey, come on. Mana sayangnya? Aduh, mana sayangnya? Ayo dong, sayang. Ayo dong.
I'm really feeling sick.
Sayang, ayo dong. Masa aku bikin videonya sendirian sih? Sayang, ayo dong.
Oh, this is so disgusting. You really eat that thing?
Twice.
How? Oh, sorry, like to say something like this,
But it's
really
popular
disgusting.
in Indonesia.
Yeah, I don't care. I mean, I accept that every culture has their own stuff, but you also have to accept that not every culture, let's say me, does not have to like everything from that. I'm really sorry, but this is stuff I like. This is the stuff I can eat because it's okay. And this is like here, so way outside the line, everything. So no way.
Honey, it's a prank. It's from my snout. It's not from my snout. It's from tapioca flour.
You're telling me this just that I try it?
No, it's really not from my snout. You can check my video while I'm making it. It's with tapioca and flour. I got you. Come on. We need to finish the video. That's why I pranked you, okay? It's ini terbuat dari. So, jadi nggak ada viral ingus-ingusan di sosial media. I just want to tease you. So, aku bikin ini.
Let me Google that. Is this a real thing?
No, you won't find anything because I made it up. It's eatable, honey. Don't worry. Oh my god. Itu.
This is good. The pisang is good.
Yeah. I like it as well. My mom cooked it a lot when I was a kid.
The cassava is good.
Wait, combine it. There's nothing in there.
Okay, I will try one. Okay.
Biasanya doyan makan sambel.
Yeah.
Masa until.
I told you, you really have ruined this for me.
Seupil. Oh my god.
So see, this is perfect.
Sesuai yang kemarin masih ada di kulkas. Udah habis setengah.
See, this is my sambal Ingus. This actually looks very similar. But I know this is like we bought it in the store, so it's good. See?
Ini makan pisang goreng pakai susu manis. Manusia dari planet Mars.
This is good. Yeah, my favorite, I think you can guess it, was like the pisang goreng. So the cassava was really good. I loved it. It was like similar to potato actually.
It is, yeah.
It was good. But yeah, the best thing was the pisang goreng with this susu kental manis.
Yes.
But yeah, overall, I mean, it was a very simple dish, but it was very good. So for me, it's thumbs up, and this one is out of sight. I don't know. I was so shocked with this when you told me. I still cannot believe that you pranked me with like stuff like this, and I will definitely pay you back at some point.
Oh no!
So just wait for it to happen.
Oh no!
Wait for it. Jangan lupa like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Alright? Stay safe, tinggal di rumah aja, makan di rumah aja, tonton Bina channel di rumah aja. See you next time.
Bye.